Have you seen this ad from Alia Bhatt where Alia Bhatt is coming and saying very effectively, पहले दांतों की सफाई फिर मसूड़ों की मसाज, मसूड़ों में जान तो दांतों की शान. Have you seen that ad? Now I'm just asking you out of curiosity. Tell me, is Alia Bhatt really using that toothpaste in her life? Now it is very important for us to understand. Very important, because the money which has gone to Alia Bhatt for that product, it has come from consumers' account. We have paid. This is how companies they develop their bank account, right? Bank balance when we pay. Now the money which we have given to manufacturers, if they are giving to celebrities like this, it means they are spending huge amount of money from their marketing expense on product promotion. There's a difference between when you make an ad without celebrities and with celebrity. So if they're increasing the marketing expense, and because of that, if tomorrow if they increase the price product, then again who has to bear that cost? Again consumer. So somehow directly or indirectly it is connected with your pocket or my pocket also. So it's very important for us to discuss and share perspective on this subject, that all these celebrities who promote and ask us to use their products. For example, in 2000 when Britney Spears started promoting Pepsi, is she really drinking Pepsi in her life? Because of that ad, millions of teenagers, because she was a big teen icon, millions of teenagers, they might have started drinking Pepsi. Or even after a few years when Beyonce decided to continue this legacy and Beyonce was promoting Pepsi. On one hand, she was promoting Pepsi. At that point of time, it was very clear that Pepsi is loaded with sugar. I don't know what they are doing right now, but in those days, it was very clear that full of calories and not good for health. There's so many articles, so many people are talking about that. On other hand, Beyonce was also promoting a campaign from Michelle Obama, which was a fitness campaign. Keep moving, I think, if I'm not wrong. So, one hand, the celebrity is promoting a fitness campaign. One hand, she's promoting carbonated sugar water, which according to many people were not good for health. So I doubt when they promote something, I doubt they really implement that, use that in their own life. Example, I doubt Dhoni has that fan, or Shah Rukh Khan is really using that soap, or I doubt Sunny Deol is really wearing that banyan. Why it is so important for us to understand, especially with food products, very critical with food products, because all these things we might use and throw, but what we eat, it affects our body. That's the reason in many developed countries, at one point of time, people become very sensitive towards this. That if you are producing a food product, make sure, if you're using a celebrity, make sure that it should not happen that just because of celebrity influence, people are using the product. People should use the product on the merits of the product, not because someone is promoting that product. But now there is a law in US. You know what is the law? The law is Common Sense Consumption Act, and this law got passed in 2009. What is the law? The law is this. They say we can do anything. The marketeers, distributors, sellers, they can do anything, because as per this law, you cannot take a major legal action against any kind of marketeer, manufacturer, seller, distributor, food traders for any injury due to food, like increase in weight, obesity. You can't do that, because as per this law, consumers should have common sense before they take any action, or before they take any action of buying any product or use any product. We should have common sense, which is correct, I think. We should have that common sense. We should have that common sense that according to World Health Organization, that even this fried chicken, processed fried chicken is carcinogenic, still we go and eat. As per lots of studies, when we eat those chicken sausages, they are as good as smoking cigarettes. They are carcinogenic. So we should have that common sense. We should have that enough awareness that what we should eat, final decision is ours. So we cannot stop them. But is this correct? In the light of the fact that so many people, they blindly follow celebrities, is this correct? We have no idea. We cannot stop them. They are in business. As long as Pepsi is making money and Beyonce is making money, all good. Then who has to change? We have to change. Common people. So I would like to know the perspective of common people. Don't you feel that we should stop following celebrities when it comes to endorsements, when it comes to understanding the product. I am not at all saying that marketing companies should not make the product ads. It is required. An ad will help us to understand what is the function of that product, how to use that product, why to use that product, but why they should pay a huge amount of money to celebrities, because that is coming from our pocket. So my perspective is this: it's not at all a good marketing strategy, and only common man can change that strategy. When common man will stop reacting to this kind of ads. What do you mean by that? When you are buying a fan, you are not thinking about which fan Dhoni is endorsing. You will see what is the dimension of your room. When you are buying a banyan, Sunny Deol looks good in any banyan. Maybe you and me not. So you will buy a banyan as per your fitness, as per your body. When you are buying a soap, you will not see that Shah Rukh Khan sitting in that tub promoting which soap. You will see which soap is suitable to your skin. What is your perspective on this? Because it's increasing. As per one survey, in 2007, hardly 5 to 6% ads on TV were endorsed by celebrities. Today, in this year, 2000, almost into 2020, more than 25 to 30% ads are endorsed by celebrities. It has to stop. That money which is going to these people, companies should spend on the product, or they should decrease the cost of the product so consumers get benefit. What is your perspective on this? This is Bruno Alka signing out until we meet again.